This is Rusty Fiore, and welcome to a brief tutorial on how to use the t-test function in Excel. And for this, you will be testing to see if the difference between the means of two data sets are significantly different. So first, we'll need two data sets. So I'm going to quickly type in here a couple of columns of data, and these could represent the counts of different insects in plots, or even the size of different insects that you may have measured. They're basically just two samples that we're making up data for. And maybe I'll call this, our sample from area 1 and the other data set from area 2. Initially, I might check to see if in fact the means are different. So I'll use a function in Excel to do so. So I'll click on the average and I will insert the function. And it already suggests that I would like the average of that column of data, and I do, so I'll hit OK. I can copy this function and paste it into the other box right next door, right in the same place below the other data set, and I get the average of that. And I can see that the means are in fact different. The question is, are they significantly different? So I'll click in a box below there, and I'll go over to t-tests and insert the function. And for this, I'm going to be checking to see if array number 1, which is our first data set, which I'll highlight here, is different from array number 2, our second data set, which I'll highlight there. For the purposes of this class, you can use the two-tail type 3 test. Click Done, and that is the p-value for this test. And a p-value, if it's less than 0.05, is significant. This is 0.0001. Therefore, the difference between these two means is in fact significant. Now, what you might notice, just for fun, let me play around with the data, and I'll start making them more similar. And you'll notice that as I make the two data sets more similar, the p-value eventually starts to go higher and higher. In fact, as the means become less and less different, they become exactly 1. So you can see it's a pretty powerful test, pretty easy to do, and I highly recommend it for the kind of things that we'll be doing in this class, for a really quick and easy way to go about finding out if in fact you would like to see the difference between these means. Anyways, that's how it works. I hope you found that useful. Yeah, so there you go. Thanks very much for watching.